Isn't it time we legalize marijuana in New York? It can be done if you act now. In the US, 20 states have now legalized the sale of medical marijuana. 2 of those states have recently legalized and regulated marijuana entirely. These states are benefiting from billions of dollars in new tax revenues, as well as hundreds of millions in savings from ending the prosecution and incarceration of people for possession of marijuana. In New York City, I am the only candidate who supports legalizing marijuana. I'm Kristen Davis, candidate for public advocate, and I support the full legalization, regulation, and taxation of marijuana in New York. Next year, Mayor Bloomberg says New York City will face a $2.2 billion budget deficit. The legalization and taxation of marijuana in New York City would wipe out this deficit and also create a multi-million-dollar surplus, which means more money for schools, roads, bridges, and more jobs. I need your help to legalize marijuana now. If you contribute $10 under the New York Campaign Finance Board rules, your contribution will be matched 6-1. Your $10 contribution will become $60, giving me the funds I need to publicize the pro-legalization message. If you're tired of New York politicians still advocating for higher taxes and more borrowing as a solution to New York's financial problems, and you believe in legal marijuana, then I need your help today. For a contribution of $10 or more, I will send you a custom-designed Legalize It bracelet to let your friends and family know that you've joined the fight for common sense and that you stand for personal and economic freedom by legalizing marijuana. The time is now. Go to davis2013.com today to join the fight and to get your legalized bracelet now.